Happy amazing day, everyone! I Rolled here, your break time bestie. At alam nyo ba? Of course, hindi pa kasi nga sasabihin ko pa lang that today is the International Joke Day. Hence, we are celebrating the essence of laughter, camaraderie, and the art of comedy. And syempre, hindi papatalo ang ating AFNI employees. That's why we're gonna roam around on the AFNI grounds to ask them to tell us a joke. If nakakatawa, we will give them a tumataginting na share treats as their prize. And if not, well, better luck next time. So, let's go! Ano pong pangalan nila?
Jelay po.
Oh, Jelay. Since you are already aware that today is the International Joke Day, may naitatago po ba tayo dyang joke na pwede nating i-share sa ating AFNI employees?
Meron. Are you ready?
Yes.
Anong isda ang namamaril?
Ano?
Pating, ting, ting, ting.
Knock, knock po.
Who's there?
Wish.
Wish who?
Tenenen, ten, ten. Tenenen, ten, ten. Wish, 107.5. Okay.
Overbreak na po ata kayo.
Anong tawag sa gulay na maputi?
Ano?
Putito. Ano pa mas maputi? Mashed potato.
Dalawang beses na yan!
Yung boss nila gusto nyo makakilala.
Na, sino?
Potato chips.
Yung isda yung gumagapang. Yung hindi pwede sa tubig.
Ano po?
E-fish.
Sir, ano? Bantay na po tayo ulit doon.
So my joke for you is, how do you make an egg roll? How? Syrup?
Is that the joke already?
No, you push it.
Okay.
How? No, that's the answer.
Anong masarap sa sinabi ko?
Ano?
Biko.
Stop it. Get some help.
I have a joke.
What's your joke?
Joke, joke, joke!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
Anong hayop ang maraming tanong?
Ano?
Unggoy. Steak. Hindi ka unggoy, nakatarsier siya. Oo, kumanggoy.
Congratulations to our winners and of course, a big round of applause to all of our joke-telling heroes. Again, this International Joke Day, huwag kalilimutang tumawa at magpatawa. As the old saying goes, laughter is the best medicine and it's still true. Kaya naman, if we want to make things better, let's keep spreading positivity and joy wherever we go. Once again, this is I Rolled, your break time bestie. Happy International Joke Day, AFNI Amazing Family. Over break na.